there is a fight between Franco and Sauter already. Look at that, Franco coming under pressure from Sauter. Sauter now getting back in action, around the outside he goes into the final two corners. This is not a space where you normally overtake. Still running side by side, wonderful stuff from Sauter. He now runs across the sausage curve. Sauter somehow manages to stay next to him once again. They have now done 5 corners next to one another. Look at Michael Sauter fast starting once again. There is contact and 2 cars now actually in the gravel trap and crashing into each other. Michael Sauter is now returning back to the pits, of course. And now there's a nose change. Pretty quick job needs to be said. And it's Michael Sauter who is moving towards the top step of the race right now. Now Sauter is through on Mikesh. And we are racing in Brno. Michael Sauter still trying to stay together with the Enzo Motorsport cars. It's a mega battle.
Segundo seguidor de Sauter en